Hello everyone, my name is Marit. I'm a third year bachelor student forest and nature conservation, and today I'm gonna take you along with a day at the university. I follow the course Biology of Plants, and today we have a lecture about secondary growth. So let's go! As you can see, it's a beautiful day today, and I'm now heading to Forum for lunch with some friends. So I'm back home now, and this afternoon is self-study for me. So I'm gonna work here at the table for a bit, like an hour, and then we're heading to the gym. Alright, I'm done at the gym. This time I was all by myself, but usually I go with two friends. But it was nice, so we're going back home for dinner with my housemates. Alright, it's almost bedtime and I just hopped out of the shower. If you like this video, leave a like and a comment, and thank you so much for watching.